Take a look at this playpen that I just assembled with my little ones watching. It took just minutes to put together. It was really easy. The instructions were amazing, really simple to follow, and it kind of just pieces together in its side of itself. Super simple and easy. And it has all of these padded sections around here with these flaps that go over top of the bars for that extra padding. And it has the pad that goes inside. So it's really comfortable all the way around for you and your littles. It's really important as a mom of twins to be able to have a place that I can plop them as well as their toys, all of their binkies. I absolutely love this one because it has all of these different compartments behind me, as well as little places that you can hang different teether toys or games that they can play with. This is such an amazing thing to be able to have in a living space so that you can have your little ones play and feed and hang out while you get everything done that you need to.
Assembly was really easy to follow. I mean, super simple. The instructions are right there and it took just minutes to put together and it's not difficult. So not only is it fast, but it is pretty easy to assemble. So that's going to be really great to be able to break this down and even move it around when needed and travel with it. I loved how it came with the sleeves so that it's really easy to just slide everything in. It even comes with that padding that goes over the top of the bars so that everywhere you look, it has the padding. This insert, I was not expecting it to be so thick and durable, and I love that it has both sides, so it's going to be amazing to be able to use even after they are done with this playpen. We can flip it over and use that little car pattern. I love the little 3-tote. You can use it inside. I've seen some people use it outside as well. I love that I could store and organize the little activities and toys and be able to have them grab it from the inside as well. And I love having that little pouch on the outside that's perfect for binkies and burp cloths, different things. It does have a one-sided zipper that uses just from the outside, and it was so fantastic to be able to have inside of our living room and our living space. And it was great on the hardwood as well as the carpet. For a mom of twins, it is so great to have. The quality is fantastic. Definitely recommend.